At the end of your rope. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, at the end of one's rope. This phrase is packed with meaning and is widely used in various contexts. Let's unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to express yourself more vividly. So, sit tight as we untangle this expression together. The phrase, at the end of one's rope, is used to describe a situation where a person feels completely out of options or solutions. It's akin to saying someone has reached their limit, whether that's due to frustration, patience, resources, or energy. Imagine being literally tied to a rope, and you've walked along it until there's no more left to go. That's the feeling this phrase aims to evoke. It vividly describes a state of desperation or the point at which someone cannot deal with a difficult situation any longer. While the exact origins of "at the end of one's rope" are not clear, it's believed to date back several centuries and may derive from situations involving literal ropes, such as being lowered into a well or being at sea. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphorical expression used to convey feeling trapped or without further recourse in various challenges life throws our way. Using "at the end of one's rope" in conversation can help you express a deep sense of frustration or desperation. Here are a few examples. I've tried everything to fix this computer, and it's still not working. I'm really at the end of my rope here. After dealing with the insurance company for months, she was at the end of her rope. It's also common to hear variations like, at the end of my tether, which carries a similar meaning. While this phrase is widely understood and used in English-speaking cultures, it's always important to consider the context and the audience's comfort level with expressions of frustration or despair. Like many idiomatic expressions, its impact can vary depending on cultural background and personal experiences. That wraps up our exploration of "at the end of one's rope." We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of this phrase but also the emotions and situations it can convey. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the expressions that bring color to our conversations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments with phrases or idioms you'd like us to cover next.